Earn PayPal money with the sources that I'll share with you in today's tutorial. They work for absolutely free and are worldwide available, so anyone can make them work and earn the most money. In order to get every step right, make sure to keep watching until the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you can get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, I'm going to start with this video so I can show you everything, and of course I'm going to give you multiple sources so you can use all of them in order to make the most money, but of course just choose one that you like the most and focus on that one. But just stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused. So the very first step is to come over to the first platform, which is called GetPaidTo, and it's over at getpaidto.com. You can earn money every time that you go online by just doing some simple tasks like completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, even doing some easy tasks, and also completing online offers. So you're going to see how it works. First of all, you're going to just complete one particular task and then you're going to earn points, and 5,000 points equal $1. Then you're going to redeem those points for cash, cryptocurrency, but even gift cards. You can see that you can play games and have fun online. You can play some games that we already play online and you're going to get paid in this time. So you can see that they offer a wide selection of games including Sudoku, crossword, word search, and so on. You can just watch your earnings grow again and again, and you can choose to exchange them for a gift card or even cash. So you can see that they offer the highest paying service as well. You can just get paid by giving your opinion about different brands, their products, their services, and so on. And also you can even complete offer worlds, and you can just see that you can try as many different types of offers as you can, and you can see what you can achieve in your free time. Also, they offer you the possibility to get some quick points whenever you watch music videos, adverts, trailers, to fill in captchas. So there are a lot of money making opportunities on this platform, and it depends also on you on how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. You're going to notice that they pay you through different payment methods including cash, cryptocurrencies, and digital gift cards. You can get paid through bank transfers, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, Amazon gift cards, PayPal money, and Vodafone cash. Of course, you can click on the join free now button in order to create an account for absolutely free. All you need to do is to put a username, a password, confirm the password, put an email address, confirm the email address. This is optional, but you can even put your first name and last name, but you are required to put your date of birth, your country, and you're going to notice that this is available all around the world. Also your city, your zip code. Agree to your terms and conditions and privacy policy, complete the captcha, and click on complete registration. Once you're ready to start, you can of course earn points by doing different things that we mentioned even before, and also you can even take part in some weekly contests in order to maximize your results and cash out to your favorite payment method. With that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to the next source, which is this app called Cash Karma. For the moment, I'm over at their official website, cashkarma.io. Here you can read a lot of features, of course, but you can even go over to their app, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. First of all, you can see that you can earn free cash and gift cards, and you can earn rewards by completing surveys but doing other things as well. But I love this platform because this is like one of the only reward app that lets you earn even if you don't qualify for the survey. You can install it here and get 300 points as a bonus. Click on Get Cash Karma. It's going to take you over to this other page where you can see that on a desktop, if you are on a desktop, you're going to just send yourself an SMS with a link to download the app. For example, just put your phone number over here, click on text me the app, and it's going to just give you the link to download the app, or just go directly to a Google Play Store or even App Store to just download the app on your iOS or Android device. So if you are an iOS user, you can go over to App Store and search Cash Karma surveys. As you can see, they got 4.5 stars and more than 800 of ratings. You can even just read more reviews over here, what people have to say about this app, and also go over to Google Play Store if you are an Android user. It's called Cash Karma Rewards Gift Cards. You can see that they got more than 1 million of downloads and 4.2 stars out of more than 92,000 of reviews. You can get paid to complete surveys. You can play scratch cards, match and win. You can redeem your points for cash and gift cards. They offer lots of offer opportunities as well, and you can even earn badge rewards. If you click on about this app, you can read more information about it. You can get paid in PayPal Cash and gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Target, Google Play, iTunes, Xbox Live, PlayStation, Starbucks, and many more. So with that said, guys, you can even read some information here at their official website. For example, the one that we read even before, that you can redeem your points for PayPal Cash and gift cards, and gift cards codes are going to be loaded right on your device, and a lot more gift cards are going to be added very soon. You can get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges, and you can do that whenever you complete like 5 offers, watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 of points, and you can increase your reward level each time you earn earning badges. You can earn up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. So they offer you the possibility to even maximize your results, of course. So I highly recommend that you give it a try. You can download it on your Android or iOS device and get started with Cash Karma. With that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to the last platform for today, which is called Swagbucks, and this is over at swagbucks.com. You can put cash back in your wallet, and of course you can join for absolutely free by putting your email address, a password, confirm the password, and also signing up now. And you also agree to terms and conditions if you do that. You can even sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, which is a lot faster and a lot easier. And you're going to notice that Swagbucks has been mentioned on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, Penny Harder, ABC, and the Huffington Post, which shows that this is a legit, but also it has a lot of potential. You can get free gift cards and cash for the things that you already do online, like playing video games, shopping online, searching the web, answering surveys, finding great deals to earn new points, and then these points are going to be redeemed for gift cards, and also like you can get cash back from PayPal as well. So as you can see, all of this platform pay you in PayPal money. What you can do is to just open up one PayPal account and you can redeem all of your earnings over there. Of course, you can see your balance growing again and again. You're going to notice that they have paid to their members more than $700 million, and also you can read some testimonials too, and you can see that they give out 7,000 of free gift cards every day. So this has a lot of potential, just like I mentioned even before. You can even check out the reviews from Trustpilot by clicking over here. You can see that they got 4.3 stars out of 5, and of course out of more than 30,000 of reviews. So this is an absolutely legit platform. You can even go over there, read what people have to say about this platform, sign up for absolutely free, and then you can just get started by doing these tasks and get paid again and again. So this was the last platform for today. As I mentioned even before, it depends on you if you want to find just one of your favorite platforms and focus on that, or you can even combine all of them in order to make the most money. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.